everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got another limited edition to share with you, and it is a stocking filler box from Next. It's one of 3 boxes. This one has a value of £60 and it costs £15. All 3 of the stocking filler boxes cost £15. You'll find a link to the boxes down below in my description, and also there's loads of new boxes on the Next website. They always bring out new boxes towards Christmas, including the £12 beauty box, which I unboxed in a separate video, so you might have already seen that. But this is one of the stocking fillers, and I forgot the name. Party Ready stocking filler, this one is. You'll find all the details to them down below in my description, as well as my amazing giveaway on Instagram. If you're already following me on Instagram, you might have already seen it, but it's to win this year's Kiehl's Advent Calendar. So yeah, that's ending 16th of December. You'll find that down there as well. So there you go, quick sneak peek there. Let's start then with Laura Mercier. We've got a caviar stick eye colour in shade Rose Gold. I love eyeshadow sticks. I've got quite a collection going on now. I do, I have quite a collection. I think I've got a mini one of this. Of this rose gold one. I've got a few of these caviar sticks and they are beautiful. I've been using them for years and years. Yeah, it's really pretty. Woo! I love smudging the shimmery ones underneath my eyes, and especially with this one as well, like for inner corner, or even going over in the middles for a bit of a halo eye or something like that. Yeah, happy with that. Next up, we've got a CC cream from Iborian. I love this brand. I absolutely love it. I have got this, the CC cream. I've got a BB cream, and they recently sent me a PR package, which is so sweet, of their skincare, their moisturiser, which is beautiful. Ginseng moisturiser. It's really gorgeous moisturiser, but yeah, I love it. It's Korean. Oh, amazing. What shade is this one in? I get it in shade Claire, which is my name. Which one are you? This is Claire. I have an E on the end of my name, this one doesn't. So Claire, I think, is the palest one you can have. I also have a water cream in Dior, which is slightly darker. So when I've got a fake tan on, then I use it. It just gives a nice sheer finish to the skin, but it does cover quite nicely as well. The CC cream is great. I've got a lot of colour on my face. I've got a lot of redness. I've got pigmentation, which is going now, thankfully. I've got a lot of vitamin C underneath all this makeup. I'd say it's more foundation than a CC cream. It's slightly heavier than other CC creams I've tried in the past, so it's more like a light to medium foundation. But yeah, my skin really likes it. It blends in beautifully. It gives a radiant sort of finish to the skin. It's not shimmery or anything like that. It's just a really nice cream. Yeah, high definition radiance face cream, skin perfector, and it contains broad spectrum SPF 25. Yeah. So if I collect a few of these, then if I go away anywhere, handy. Handy. I need to collect some in Claire and some in Dior. Next, we've got a beauty blending sponge. This is Beauty Works complexion sponge. High definition complexion sponge. There, we all know what a beauty blending sponge is. Made from super soft latex-free material, this complexion sponge can be used damp or dry. Then, oh, we've got Bobbi Brown. I love Bobbi Brown. Crushed lip colour in shade Cranberry. So it's a little sample there. Ooh, there. Yeah, really pretty. Trap my hand. Yeah, that is really pretty. Nice shade there. And then lastly, we've got a mascara. This is Benefit Roller Lash. It's black. I really like this mascara. Benefit mascaras are hit and miss for me. Some of them I really love, like this one and the Bad Girl Bang. But others I don't like at all, like their Real and their Real Magnet. Similar sort of brush, but it curves. But this one I really like. I don't know why. I haven't got great lashes, so I am really fussy when it comes to mascara. Yeah, I really like this one. Don't like the others, but I'm happy I got this in here. So that is it. There's lots of worms in there. I thought there might be something hiding. So we've got a beauty blending sponge from Beauty Works. We've got a Laura Mercier caviar stick in rose gold. We've got a Benefit Roller Lash mascara. We've got a Bobbi Brown crushed lipstick in shade Cranberry. And lastly, we've got an Erborian CC cream in shade Claire. All of that costs £15 and it has a value of £60. These boxes that are £15 and under, I wanted to do a couple on my YouTube channel because I wanted to share with you to show that there are some affordable gift items out there, gift boxes out there. I think that would make a gorgeous Christmas gift for a friend or family member, or a Secret Santa maybe, or a little treat for yourself. It all depends, doesn't it? I'd love to hear what you think, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.